Hey friends, this is Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the SheMakes Club, ready to make some Sola Wood flower decor with you with a fun find from the Target dollar spot. Just have my hot glue gun out, an assortment of Sola Wood flowers, and this barn door was really cute. $3 from Target. You can't go wrong. And this is also, this little fake greenery, plastic greenery is from the Target dollar spots also. So I just picked out one of the big flowers to kind of start. I'm just going to apply my hot glue right on the back. And I really like to find like my base flower or the focal point flower that I want to work with, and then I build around. So I'm actually going to speed this video up just a tiny bit and talk you through the rest of the process. So I adhere that center point flower down first with the hot glue, just so it's in place. And then I like to work with odd numbers, and I'm just kind of playing with assortment of Sola Wood flowers to build this out and create the look that I really want to create. So I'm going to be using about 5 flowers here. I'm just kind of tucking them in the different sizes in and underneath each other and filling in the corner of this little barn door, which I think is just so cute. And it's so fun to be able to take these forever lasting Sola Wood flowers. For those who do not know what Sola Wood is, I do have a bunch of videos on my channel at buymeganelizabeth.com. Definitely check them out. And then I'm just hot gluing in some of this greenery to kind of finish off the look and make it look complete and really beautiful. And you can use your scissors to kind of hold down that hot glue to make it stay where you want it to stay. Don't burn your fingers. I hate that. I have several scars. Been there, done that. Be careful. Hot glue is no joke, but it's still so beautiful, and it really does hold the Sola Wood flowers in place so well in your creation. So I thought this was just really fun. I'm doing this last minute. I made this entire thing in under 5 minutes, even though this is kind of fast forwarded. It's only fast forwarded by 2. So we did this really in under 5 minutes time to just cut up this faux greenery. I really love the filler or greenery that Sola Wood Flowers has. There is a link in my description. You can also visit bit.ly/SolaWood by me, and that will take you to checking out all of the Sola Wood creations. And of course, this barn door is from Target. But Sola Wood does a phenomenal job at providing you with all kinds of different decor, vases and boxes and awesome things to really, whether you want to dye the flowers, it's like a thin wood that they roll, and because of it being a wood that is rolled and it's so thin, it creates like this veinage that really makes these flowers come to life and look like they are real flowers. They don't look like these plastic artificial things. So I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with Sola Wood. So I would love for you to go check them out and enjoy creating. Thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time here, I hope that you'll subscribe and come join us again soon at By Megan Elizabeth and She Makes Club. Bye bye.